Are you on keto or thinking about starting? If you are, then give yourself a pat on the back, because clearly you're one wise person on your way to becoming slim and healthy. Kudos to you. You're halfway there already. Now, to meet the other half, you just need a plan. A plan to prepare your keto meals. It's the biggest reason why people fail with keto. And it's no surprise either, because Benjamin Franklin once said, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So whether you're already been doing keto or you're about to begin, you need to plan ahead. And I'm here to help you make that happen. Hi, I'm Coach Keto, and I'll share some meal prep secrets with you today, so you can prepare some yummy keto meals in no time. Now, my first tip is to help you figure out the macros your body needs, because before you start meal prepping, you want to know what you should be eating and why. Now, in the keto diet, there are 3 macros: fat, protein, and carbs. Generally, macros range from 60 to 75% of calories from fat, 15 to 30% of calories from protein, and 5 to 10% of calories from carbs. So if you're eating 1,500 calories a day, you should be consuming 117 grams of fat, 92 grams of protein, and 20 to 25 grams of net carbs, which is grams of fiber subtracted from grams of carbs, because some foods like berries have a lot of fiber, so you don't count it toward your total carbs. Now that you know how much of your body needs, the next tip here is to go shopping. The secret to being successful on keto is to keep it simple, so don't buy fancy ingredients. Go for the quality and not quantity. Get a nice cut of meat, a good quality butter, and some dark green veggies, and you're done. In fact, you won't even feel like you're dieting. Now let me help you by sharing a keto-friendly shopping list broken down by macros. So for protein, you can buy salmon, chicken, turkey, beef, tuna, sardines, eggs, and bacon. To stock up your fats, you need avocado, avocado oil, coconut oil, nuts, olive oil, MCT oil, grass-fed butter, heavy whipping cream, and some full-fat cheese. And to fill up your carbs, you want to buy a butternut squash, zucchini, carrots, spaghetti squash, artichokes, mushrooms, endive, cauliflower, broccoli, and spinach. And as a bonus, get yourself some olives, pepperoni slices, hard cheese slices, cheese crisps, and pork rinds as in-between mealtime snacks. Now, coming to my third tip, have a meal plan, as not having one can be overwhelming on your worst days. So get your weekly keto menu in place, starting Monday and ending every Sunday. Sunday being the day to lay the menu every week. Again, keep it simple. Complicated recipes with 15 plus ingredients are just not practical on a daily basis. Now, let me share a sample weekly menu for you to start with. On Monday for breakfast, have 2 eggs cooked in coconut oil with half an avocado and 6 to 10 walnuts. For lunch, include 3 cups of arugula or kale salad with an oil-based dressing and 1 serving of an oily fish like sardines. And for dinner, cook a skin-on chicken thigh with cream sauce. And the cream sauce is cauliflower mash made with cream, butter, and oil, and roasted zucchini. And if you need a snack for between meals, whip up some ice cream by combining a can of coconut milk with the cream separated and a scoop of peanut butter folded in. Come Tuesday, have 2 eggs with bacon, 2 cups of spinach sauteed with onions, garlic, and olive oil, and half of a green pepper for breakfast. For lunch, grill a chicken breast with onion coated in olive oil, and mix 6 cherry tomatoes with 3 cups of shredded mixed greens for a nice salad. And for dinner, take 5 ounces of salmon with a cup of broccoli cooked in olive oil and other fat add-ons like butter. And you may have a handful of almonds and a large celery stalk as a snack in between any of your meals. On Wednesday for breakfast, try a smoothie made with unsweetened almond milk, low-carb protein powder, spinach leaves, hemp seeds, almond butter, and avocado to pump up your energy in the middle of the week. Your lunch can be a spinach salad with tuna. Take spinach, 1 whole avocado, a handful of sliced olives, hemp seeds, and Parmesan cheese, and top it with a mostly oil-based vinaigrette. And for dinner, have 4 ounces of fish with sugar-free tomato sauce, and on the side include a cup of asparagus smothered in a mustardy mayonnaise dressing. And for a midday snack, eat some flaxseed crackers and goat-based Gouda cheese. Now, if you're as tired as I can be on Thursday, it's perfectly alright to get off the radar and have some leftovers from the day before. What's nice about the ketogenic diet is that you stop craving a sweet meal in the mornings, so eating leftovers becomes easy and delicious. Now for lunch, you can pack yourself a ribeye steak with a whole avocado and sauteed spinach. Yes, your coworkers will become insanely jealous. And for dinner, you may pick your own flavor meatballs. Try ground turkey, beef, or sausage, made with almond meal and broccoli cooked in oil. And a great snack for between meals can be asparagus with aioli dipping sauce. Next is TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. For breakfast, have a plain Greek yogurt with a heaping spoonful of almond butter. For lunch, you can eat leftovers or pick one of the meals you enjoyed most earlier in the week. And for dinner, enjoy a salt and pepper chicken breast paired with cauliflower mashed potatoes made in heavy cream, butter, and oil. Avocado and tomato slices with a pinch of salt is just about right for snacking in between. On Saturday for breakfast, make a spinach, onion, and mushroom omelet cooked in oil. For lunch, prepare a kitchen sink salad. What's in it? Well, everything but the kitchen sink. Include some pre-washed greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, basil or mint, olives, hard cheese, and a protein of your choice, like chicken or fish. And sprinkle some sesame seeds is always optional. Now for dinner, whip up some kelp noodles and tofu strips with basil pesto, and a bowl of cream of mushroom soup. Finally, it's Lazy Sunday, so eat a special breakfast of mixed nuts and seeds in unsweetened almond milk and berries. For lunch, make a tuna salad, as long as none of the ingredients contain added sugar. Tuna, mayo, celery, pickles, and some salt and pepper should do the trick. Just be sure to check your labels. And some spiced up pork chops and asparagus cooked in olive oil will make a good dinner on Sunday. Dozen cucumber sandwiches made with cheddar or Swiss cheese with a generous sprinkle of salt for that cracker-like flavor sound good for Sunday midday snack? Yum. Well, coming to my last and final tip on your keto diet meal prep, always prepare your keto menu in advance. Having laid the menu and shop for it, cut and chop, store and label for the week in advance, it'll make things easy and manageable so that you stay ahead of the game and enjoy lasting weight loss. I hope my tips and meal plan inspired you, but I've got more. To make your journey with the keto diet even easier, I've put together a special bundle. It starts with the 66-page book that's going to answer all your questions about keto. Is it safe? What are the side effects? What foods to eat? What foods not to eat? What are the rules? And if you want to know more about low carbs, I'll include a special report that answers 23 of the most frequently asked questions about the low carb lifestyle. And if you act today, I'm going to include a special bonus. I'm going to include a cheat sheet as well as a shopping list to make your job easier. And if you're like me and you eat out a lot, I'm also going to include an 11-page report that's going to cover 33 tips to go low carb when you're eating out. Hey, if you're an athlete or bodybuilder, I got you covered too. There's a 13-page report on cyclical and targeted keto diets. So as you can see, I've put together an impressive bundle that's going to give you everything you need to get started and to keep going. Now normally this bundle costs $97, but if you act right now, you can get this entire bundle 100% absolutely free. That's right, you can get this incredible package of information. It's going to give you all the answers about the keto diet. But the key is you got to act right now, because this is only available for a limited time. So you can either click the link in the description box below this video, or type the URL into the address bar of your favorite browser. And that URL is www.coachketo.net/bundle. Now you'll be taken to a hidden web page where you just enter your details to get instant access, where you're going to get that 66-page book that's going to answer all your questions on the keto diet. It's going to include the special reports such as the 23 frequently asked questions about the low-carb lifestyle, the 33 tips to go low-carb when eating out, and the cyclical and targeted keto diets for athletes and bodybuilders. And if you take action right now, I'm going to include that cheat sheet and the 148 low carbs food shopping list. That again is going to save you a lot of time. So again, just type in the URL www.coachketo.net/bundle, or just click the link in the description box below this video. Hey, thanks again for watching, and remember, if you change your body, you change your life.